Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a subdomain in Hostinger and install WordPress. First, log into your Hostinger control panel. Once you logged in, you will see this hosting section. Go to Manage. Once you are inside your domain name, in the left hand side, you will see an option called Domain. Then select Subdomains. Here we will put our subdomain name. Let's say we will create a subdomain for our blog page. Call it blog.besthotelsinindia.com. Now create your subdomain. Okay, now our subdomain is created. You can see blog.besthotelsinindia.com. This is our subdomain is created. If I open this subdomain, you can see this is the default page. No WordPress is installed here. Now we need to install WordPress on this subdomain. To do this, while you are inside the same dashboard, click on Website. Then select Auto Installer. Now select WordPress. Here we will give our website credentials like website name. Let me call it as blog. Now you can put our administrator email and administrator username. Let me put it as admin. Then password, we need to put a password here. So this is the most important part in advanced section. We need to select our installation path or directory where the WordPress will be installed. Just select this drop down icon, then select the subdomain we just created. Here you will see blog.besthotelsinindia.com, the subdomain name we just created before. Now we need to select this. Okay. Now we need to leave it as a blank. Database password we need to leave it blank, but you can give a password if you want. Go to next and everything is selected. So no need to change anything here. Now click on install. It will take few seconds and our WordPress will be installed to our subdomain. Cool. Now you can see in the blog page our website WordPress has been installed. If I refresh this page again, now you will see the default WordPress theme. We can log into our blog WordPress and admin by clicking on this admin panel. So this is our WordPress dashboard of subdomain. So this is how we create a subdomain and install WordPress on the subdomain. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share this video to others who need it. Thank you.